Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to explain how to choose the right people to copy trade. And again, if you signed up using the link in the description or in the bonus lecture, you will get access to a full list of people to copy trade with trust and with high return and less, let's say, risk. Now, the first step is going to the copy trading tab on the left side. Here you will find a lot of lists. Now you can see Crypto Kings, which are for people who are trading crypto are kings because they have high returns, like as you can see 11,000%. And it's very intimidating and it's very attractive, to be honest. You can go ahead and copy trade this person, but you should expect to lose all of your money, as we have things that we need to check before going forward. Now, for each copy trader, you will see this list. This is the number of investors who are investing with this copy trader. Only 2 is a number that you shouldn't go after. Now, the trader that you will copy, he will take 20% fees from every trade that he win. And his win ratio is 1, which is pretty, let's say pretty low considering the amount of drawdown. So you'll have to aim a higher win ratio, and I'll show you this in details in a minute. And regarding the drawdown, now if a drawdown is more than 60%, you shouldn't copy trade this person because he's losing a lot and you can lose all of your money. Now in here we have invested. It means the amount that this trader has invested in his own strategy. $400 is not a number that you should consider huge, so you shouldn't copy this trader, and we will show you different traders in a minute. Now on funds, now invested, on funds, it means the amount of funds that this trader has placed in the platform and he is using his strategy and this amount of money to trade with. But invested is the amount of money people have invested in this strategy by using the copy trading feature. So we have 2 investors. These 2 investors are investing only $400 in this strategy, and it has 11,000 return in 1 month. So 1 month, if you have placed $100, you would earn 11,000 in return. And this is a very unrealistic amount considering that he's only investing $800. So let's talk about these different tabs up here. They're featured. Now featured means that the platform is featuring these people. So they are recommended to copy. They are not very recommended, but they are recommended to copy. Now from here you can filter them by Forex, indices, crypto, algorithms, or all of them. Now the next one is best performers. And again, you can select any of them, but you need to take a note that these are best performance in the past month, 1 month, as you can see. We have the Crypto Kings, they are trading crypto. We have the high win ratio, and as you can see, people who have a high win to lose ratio. And the win ratio, as you can see here, is 31, 5, 9, 6, 12, 47. So the win ratio, it means the number of successful trades with the number of losing trades. And this is also not the one that we are looking for. We have high on funds. It means arrange people depending on how much fund they have placed in the platform on their own strategy. So this one is placing $117,000 on his own strategy. People are only investing $4,000 in his strategy, but it seems like he's trusting his strategy a lot. But he has a lot of money and he's like ready to lose, and that is not the case for every one of us. So don't look for people like this. Now again, some people might have this lock icon. It means that this strategy is locked and you cannot join it unless he allows people to join. But as you can see, he's investing $24,000 and 2 people are investing $40,000, and the return is only 4.5% a month, which is a very low amount. Now, low risk, it means people who are risking less, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Low drawdown, it means people with the lowest drawdown. Drawdown is what's written here. It's a percentage. Now, when it is very low, this is very good, because drawdown means low chances of losing all of your money. So as long as the low drawdown or the drawdown is low, it means that you have a higher chance of making profit. Now next we have low fees. It means people with 10%, 5% fees, which is the amount of money that that trader will take from you. Most popular means that like trending on social media. Here we have trending traders that you can copy trade. And here we have the most invested, which is traders where people invested the most money by copy trading. Here, investors invested $913,000, which is a very huge amount. Now, this one, $771,000, $508,000, $473,000, and all of these are huge amounts. But as you can see, some of them are red, minus 7% in the last month. So again, you have to make sure that you are selecting the right person. Now, if you kept moving, you will see your wish list. So if I liked someone, I can click on him and add him to my wish list. And this is my wish list. And you can click here to see all traders. You can search them by their username. You can filter them to display them as a list or as icons. You can filter the results by the risk score, the fees, the minimum investment. Do you want a human supervised algo or algo? Do you want trading frequency to be high, medium, or low, which is the number of trades a trader is doing every day? Then you can save your filter. Now, you came to the end of this lesson in which I'll talk about what I do now after learning the hard way by copy trading. Now, when I first started, I was copying people with high win ratio. And then I tried copying people who are called the best performer and the featured. And now if you open the featured, you can see that I'm not copying the featured people. And I'm not copying the best performer. Now, what is the thing that you want to look for? First, I was looking for high return, like I wanted to earn 200%, like this one, in a month. Or let's say 300%, 1000%, which is a huge amount. So I started chasing this and I started copy trading people who are making these huge amounts a month. Then I ended up losing everything. To be honest, everything, like every cent I invested in copy trading, I lost in the past, like not this month, maybe the 2 months before. So that's why I'm telling you I learned the hard way. The best return is the return that you will be getting every month without losing all of your money. Now, most banks will give you 7% to 9% return. But what if a trader can give you 30 or 40 or even 20% every month on your money? Wouldn't that be a good amount? Now, some of them would give you 70%. Some of them would give you 60%, 90%. But on average, I found out that I shouldn't look for high return as long as people are giving me consistent return, which is 40% a month or 60% a month, which is consistent and I'm not losing all of my money. Now, this was the first step, looking for people with low risk and medium return, not high return. The second thing is not investing all of my money with one copy trader. So if you have $1,000, invest $100 with every trader so that you will end up not putting all of your eggs in one basket. And this is the strategy that worked for me. And you saw already some of the results from the previous video. So let me tell you the exact strategy that I'm using. Now, if you are looking for high return, it means high risk. So you will most likely lose all of your money. I'm not that guy. I'm looking for stable return. I'm not looking for high return, so lower risk score. So go to the low risk tab. And in the low risk tab, you can see people who are risking less but making money. So let's talk about the people with the check mark here. These are the people that I copy traded, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Now let's look for this person. You can see the number here on the left. And this is the risk score. Now, if the risk score is 5 or less, it means that this is a low risk score. And this is a person that you might copy, but not surely copy unless he meets the criteria that I will tell you now. Now, click on this person. The first thing that you need to do is to look for previous months here. If you saw a red month, then don't copy this person, because he will most likely he will not keep winning every month. We want people who are winning every month. So this one is winning the last month and this month. And as you can see, he still has 2 open trades, but most of the closed trades are in green. As you can see, all of them are earning. Now, you can see here that it's around 25% fees. Up to 30% is okay. And the minimum investment is $100. Don't go with people who are asking for a minimum investment of $5,000. Why? $100 is good. People invested $72,000 in this strategy, which is a very good amount. And you can see here that 74 trades won and 0 lost. So he haven't lost a trade. So this is like the perfect person to copy trade, especially that he has a low risk score, which is around 5. So this was the first one. Going back, I copied this person. Going back to this person. Now the return is less. He asks only for 15% fees. And he won the last month and he's still winning this month. And as you can see, the trades won 189, the trades lost 66. Now, if I told you that a trader would give you 100% winning trades, I will be lying. No one can win 100%. But a trader with low risk, it means that this trader will make sure that he will only enter trades that he will win. And if he lost, the loss will not be very big. So as you can see, again, this trader is making money and losing money, but mostly in green. So this is the second one I copied, and I kept using the same strategy. From the low risk tab, I selected people who have a high, like a lot of people are investing with them, are copy trading them. They have low risk score. They have, let's say, low drawdown. As you can see, 6% drawdown, 15% drawdown, 11% drawdown. And there is a lot of investors who are investing with them. Now, if someone has 0 investor, you shouldn't go and invest with them. If someone has less than 10 investors, you shouldn't go and invest with them. Now, this is how I choose people to copy trade. And again, you can check the bonus lecture for our Telegram group and for the link to join the platform so that you can get support 24/7. Now, again, if I went to my portfolio, you will see the names of the people that I'm currently copying, and this list will be updated monthly. So some people I might stop copying, some people I might add to the list depending on the performance. But as you can see, all in all, I'm earning money, and it's around, for now, I think it's around $100 or $150 in profit for the past month, and I'm just getting started. So I'm reinvesting. So whenever I'm making more money, I'm copying a new person with that amount. And this is a compounding strategy. I'm not withdrawing my earnings. You can withdraw your earnings instantly on this platform, but that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you enjoyed this course, add 5-star review, leave us a comment so that other people can learn and know about what we are doing and what we are teaching to other people so that they can also make money. Let's spread the word, because I've been there. I've been trying a lot of methods to make passive income. None of them worked for me, and this is the only working method so far. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Moneymakers Academy.